Welcome to Tech Hub Academy. Today you're going to learn about HTML link bookmarks. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to create bookmarks in HTML and how they improve navigation on a web page. How to create a bookmark in HTML. HTML links can be used to create bookmarks inside a web page. Instead of scrolling through the entire page, users can click a bookmark link and jump directly to the section they want. A bookmark allows a user to click a link and quickly move to a specific section of the same page. This is useful when a web page is very long, making navigation easier and improves the user experience. I designed a page about Animal Farm by George Orwell. As you can see, the page is quite long, so I will have to add link bookmarks to quickly move to specific sections of the page. Go to any section of your page and type in ID in the opening tag and type in any short word for the value. The ID attribute is a unique identifier assigned to a specific element like a heading or paragraph on a web page to serve as a target destination for a link. I will add a heading called Page Sections. Create a P element. Inside the P element, create the anchor element. For the content, I will type in Chapter 8. Type in href in the opening tag of the A element. Next, type in the value of the ID attribute, but begin with the hash symbol. Finally, save your work and open your file with any browser. When I click the text Chapter 8 under Page Sections, I am taken to the summary of Chapter 8. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. In this lesson, you have learned how HTML links can be used to create bookmarks that jump to specific sections of a web page. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share to support Tech Hub Academy. You can also follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, and WhatsApp for more lessons and updates. In the next lesson, you will learn about HTML images. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.